Alright, today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to do a quick review of these Goodyear Wrangler TrailRunner AT tires. Now I put these on a few weeks back. I have about 1,500 miles on them, and I shot footage in snow, a little bit of mud on the interstate, and I compared gas mileage. So I replaced a set of Goodyear SR-As, which were right out of the gate horrible in snow. So there is a marked difference there, but I will say that there's also a difference in the gas mileage that I'm getting with these tires. So take a look and leave questions and comments below. And you can see we're at just about 19 miles to the gallon. That's pretty static for me. I hang right in that area. This is of course with the old tires. And what we'll do is, once I get the new tires installed, we'll kind of see where we're at after several commutes to work. We're home, safe and sound. We have the Goodyear TrailRunners on here. And you can see that there's a significant improvement in tread, as well as the tread design being slightly more aggressive. Alright, so I've driven just about 1,000 miles on these new Goodyear TrailRunners, and I've tried really hard to maintain my driving habits, knowing that I wanted to compare the mileage. As a matter of fact, if anything, I've been babying this more because I've watched my mileage decrease, and I wanted to be sure that, that it was accurate. And you can see that I'm getting just about 2 miles to the gallon less with these new tires. Alright, so these are the Goodyear TrailRunner AT tires, and they're supposed to be a nice happy medium between sort of the SR-A and their full all-terrain tire. There is some mileage loss compared to what I was running, which were bald SR-As, but so far so good. I'm happy with them. They have a nice tread pattern. I don't know if I'm going to get 70,000 miles out of these things like I did my SR-As, but hey, you know, at least I can go through the snow without issue, which is a big improvement over what I had. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button and give me that thumbs up. I greatly appreciate that. And leave questions and comments below. Thanks a lot. Have fun.